Welcome to another installment of Nathan Says. These unlimited tips here. Tips unlimited. So, if you're fucking painting, right? And to those of you that know, then fucking, I'm not talking to you, okay? But to those of you that don't, invest in one of these fucking dumb things if you're painting. It's got a little cap, you could seal it, you see it sticks on there. This just makes life so much fucking easier. I use this all the time, I got like 4 of them. Throw it on your can, it's so much easier than dumping and playing the fucking game, you know what I mean? They don't fit on a lot of newer cans, but hopefully it fits this one. Yes. So snap this bitch on your can. Now you got an easy, cleaner pour. Especially if you're dealing with this shit's like fucking glue, man. This shit is brutal. So, let me look at it. So yeah, I'm just trying to say, put this shit on your fucking can. Makes it way easier to pour. This is oil based, so it's a bitch to clean that off. I mean, it's fucking almost worth it to throw it away. I think they're only a couple bucks. It is 2026, and God knows, it probably costs $10 now or more. So, but yeah, that's what I do to keep my shit easy, I guess you could say. So yeah, another quick tip.
No limits, no script. Just sit around and watch me build some shit. Nathan Unlimited. What the fuck?